In example 1, I want to simplify 4 to the 5th divided by 4 to the 4th. All right, common base, so you just have to write the base one time, and you subtract your exponents, the top minus the bottom. And I get 4 to the 1, and that would be 4. All right, again, on B, common base, subtract the exponents. What's on top minus what's on bottom. That gives me negative 3 to the 0. Remember, anything raised to the 0 exponent is 1. All right, C gets a little bit more complicated. There's several things going on. All right, so taking it one step at a time, and you can do multiple steps all together if you'd like. I'm going to take the common base on top, and they're being multiplied, so that means I add the exponents. And I'm just going to bring this down to the bottom and wait on it later. So I get 6 to the 8th divided by 6 to the 9th. Okay. Now that I have division with common bases, I subtract, and I get 6 to the negative 1. Now, I might think that I'm finished, but you have to remember that I can't have a negative exponent as my final answer. So I need to rewrite it as 1 over 6 to the 1, which is 1 over 6. All right, the last one. I have 2 divided by x to the 4th times x squared. There's no other numbers to manipulate with the 2, so it just stays on top, or it stays on the top of my fraction. So I've got 2 times all this other stuff. Now, x to the 4th times x to the square is still saying like this, 2 times x squared over x to the 4th. Okay. So again, I'm not changing anything with the 2, but I do have common bases with the x, and they're being divided. So x squared minus what's on bottom, and I still have the 2, x to the negative 2nd. And again, you can't have a negative exponent, so you need to move it. The 2's on top because there's no negative exponent with the 2. And the x to the negative 2nd moves to the bottom, changing it to a positive exponent.